What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with a POV. As y'all can see, man. Y'all see we got the light going on. You know what I'm saying? Made me a nice little green color. It look better off camera than it do on camera for whatever reason. It look like a little bit lighter. But yeah, a little slime green, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're finna do a little nice POV, man. It's a little misty outside. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, boys, a little warm start. Yeah, car crew, man. We in the road with it, man. You know what I'm saying? It's very slightly muggy outside. I'm finna go this way, ain't gonna lie. Cause nigga ain't finna be all that back and forth traffic. You feel me? We just take the little back road. You know what I'm saying? Something slight. But what good, car crew, man? You know what I'm saying? Welcome back to people that been watching. You feel me? And if you're new right now, hit that sub button so you can be a part of the car crew. I should have went, man. You know, I gotta be behind this slow explorer. Oh, they turning. Hurry up. Yeah. Come on, man. Yeah. Yeah, you looking at? That lad cap. Wait there. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Damn. Yeah, man. Welcome back to my channel, man. For the ones who, you know what I'm saying? For the ones who been watching. You feel me? Real deal. Cari crew. I appreciate y'all, boy. You feel me? It never goes unnoticed. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys are, you know what I'm saying? The best. Y'all a little second get bored of it. Sicker. Damn. Well, that bit was loud. Well, that bit, bro, that jump be stupid. Look at that nigga. He laughing. The little Guatemalans. The Guatemalans over there laughing, man. Them boy, they be working, but them boy be getting to work any day of the week. Them boy working on Christmas, New Year's, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, Kwanzaa, anything. Them boy working, but hard working niggas in America. Hard working niggas in America, nigga. Go. Look at that. Hit that bit. That pink scat over there. Damn! Woo! Bitch sound like a nigga with a whip, nigga. Sound like a ARP scat, nigga. Hey, you talking about? But yeah, I don't even know what to call it, POV, bro. It's just a little, you know what I'm saying? It's a cloudy day outside, man. Just cruising on the way. Look at this nigga. Look at her. Shit, she driving suspicious. What the hell wrong with her? That bitch driving like she on the movie A Bad Boy. Looking around like she supposed to be, like she on that angel dust, big tripping. You know, tell her what these folk be having going on, bro. Y'all probably riding by somebody real like crackhead. You know what I mean? Real like dope fiend. Look at them when they went on they gonna roll that bitch back up. I keep on. Man, but that box truck tripping. That bitch beatboxing. That bitch said. But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Nice little, you know what I'm saying, street POV type beat, I guess. Whatever you want to call it. Would y'all rather me switch hands, bro? Like, when you know how some niggas, when they do POV, when they get rid of upshot, they just switch hands, then go back to this. I naturally drive like that anyway off camera. Like I just use one hand, even if I am paddle shit, and sometimes I still just do that. Or I use this, you know what I'm saying? But it just depends. It just depends on how a brother feeling. And I'm feeling like a villain because I'm willing. I'm skilling, double dealing back at. Look at that scat. They hard. That B5 blue. Make a nigga brand new. I really can rap, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy don't even know that side, bro. I got like 5 mixtapes out right now. And some of them on Apple Music, all platforms, Spotify, all that. Y'all boys just y'all ain't real, so y'all ain't been here in the field, you know what I'm saying? Or the nigga really out there doing everything it takes to try to get, you know what I'm saying? Get that exposure. Some folk, I just looked at that white list, some folk don't even hear this, bro. I think when they got like they radio up and they window rolled up, they don't even hear this for real. Like, no cap. Damn, I should have went that way. Dumb ass. Damn, I should have went that way. Damn. Now I gotta go this way. Let me see if I can finesse something. Hold on. Let me see if I can finesse something. See if I can finesse something. Let me finesse. Come on, man. I'm a bad motherfucker. Oh man, just skip 8 lanes. But nah, for real, appreciate that little whoever that was sleeping, you know what I'm saying? And we back behind the lady. We back behind the lady that was tripping on that dust. Look at her speeding up. She's scared. She's scared of Olivia. You know what I'm saying? Got the green lights on. They think that bitch angry. Snotty nose scat. Damn. I get a pop to a break. I mean, I do be giving it a break. I really don't be doing it, bro, until like, you know, a video or something. But or sometime on accident, or somebody pick me out. That really what it's on for. Cause if I can't blow my horn and I get in front of you, I just go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, scare your ass. Cause folk don't know nothing about this. They don't expect a call like this to do that. Not that loud anyway. I see a black Scat or a black Charger in front of me. You got the black dot tail light. Let me see if y'all can see it. Yeah, get right now. Y'all see it way up there? That big got the black tail light, wicker bill, window spoiler. I want to get that window spoiler, bro, but bro, I just can't see myself paying. Damn, I forgot that bill was in manual. I just can't see myself paying, bro, 100 and over 150 for something like that, bro. That just, you know what I'm saying? Something that stick to your window, not like something you bolt down like a wicker bill. That bitch stick to your window. It don't even stick that good for over 150. Some people find them cheaper, but boy, the ones I seen on eBay, that bill was like 160 or something like that. I was like, damn. That and Amazon. Look at that white boy looking at my car. I'm gonna give him some right quick. Yeah. The hell out of that lady. She just rolled her window up. Hey, that bitch just made an ugly face. Boy, that bitch rolled her window up. That bitch said, "Boy, hell nah, boy. Get your ugly ass." Oh yeah. Get your ugly. Oh yeah, boy. I'm finna start the lock way. You feel me? Come on. Y'all see me, man. Hell done got long, nigga. Hell done got long in your ass. Longer than your bit. Nah, just play with you lot. But yeah, it is a Scat. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Nigga got it. Finna start my lock, man. You feel me? We're gonna see how they go. You feel me? It is a Scat, though. Look cool, little black Scat. A bit clean, man. It just, you can't mess up black, bro, besides scratching it. Like, it's 2019. You can't mess up black, bro. You just can't mess up black, bro. That's just how I look at it. Black just too easy, like it's too easy to make look good, especially on days like this. That bitch just too easy, bro. Too easy. But yeah, it really just a calm POV though. Like I'm making a little noise, but I see I'm in traffic with it, so like Ain't too much I can do. Niggas want to drive the same mile per hour right beside each other, versus like, you feel me, getting to where they want to go. You know what I mean? I'm trying to figure out how I did that spam pop that one time, bro. Like that bitch was like, bah, 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 bah. I don't know how I did that, though. Damn. I mean, I know how to make it do that. I'm trying to make it do what I made it do that one time, bro. Like, I don't know how I did it, bro. But that joint was like that, but just like louder. I kind of got it. I get that. But it was something like that, though. You know what I'm talking about? It was something like that. But yeah, man. Got a little RS. You know what I'm saying? A little RS over there. Oh yeah, and I got a custom plate too, y'all, boy. Y'all ain't look at the back. I got a temp tag on my car right now. But I had ordered me a custom tag, you feel me? Y'all boy, guess in the comment what that bitch say. Just guess, you know what I'm saying? It ain't hard to figure it out. Just get what that bitch say. It's something I say all the time. It's something I say all the time, bro. There's a couple sayings I say all the time, but you gotta pick the right one. Pick the right one, I give you $5, you know what I mean? I wish I showed you his face, but that nigga looked up and said, what the fuck is that? He real life set up, but that bitch hard. Hold on. Look at that bitch. Damn. I'm finna wrench trying to show you how that bitch. But that SRT ain't so hard, that bitch like navy blue. But that bitch was too hard. Damn. I'm trying to show y'all, boy, the camera wasn't focusing. I'm riding on the reflector trying to show y'all that bitch. See how he driving? He driving like a smart man or woman. Getting out the way, trying to get through traffic. Oh, yeah. But yeah, that SRT8 was crazy. That bitch was so hard. I wish I would have seen. They just so aggressive, bro. That would man, bro, if I would have got one of them, though, it's just that 5-speed transmission. But other than that, bro, that bitch hard. It's the same motor as this one. But it's just like a GN1 or something like that. But that bitch so hard, cuz. That bitch dumb. I'm talking about. Y'all comment down below what y'all like better. Y'all like the SRT8 2014 body style? Or y'all boy like the Scat D body style? Which one y'all like better? Like off of looks, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? The front bumper, that aggressive look, bro. Like how that bitch, which one y'all like better, bro? I gotta go with that 14, I ain't gonna lie. This body style still hard though. Like this body style tough. I ain't saying it been nowhere near trash. Damn, all these bumps, but boy, that 2014 go crazy. That 2014 goes stupid. Damn. Bro, that bitch so loud now. Sticky for licky bicky ecom. Slow it down because you're moving too fast. Ugly. Y'all boy know about that future. Look at that wide body. Damn, that's that cat. That's that cat. That nigga trying to sell that bit on bags. He's selling that bit. That bit hard. I ain't know that bit was a manual though. Well, no, I think it's an automatic. I don't know. Damn! Boy, though. I felt that bit off the wall over there, boy. Hell no. Boy, that bit was loud as fuck. I'm finna pull up on my partner right now, though. They finna put their front lip on, you know what I'm saying? Or at least we finna get a front lip. Y'all boys stay tuned for that video. I'm probably gonna record that or add that in here, I don't know. Be loud, bro. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You feel me? For all my religious folk, keep God first, keep me in the meeting, man. Y'all boys stay prayed up. Damn! My bad, I'm sorry. Y'all boys stay prayed up. Y'all boys. My bad, bro. I ain't my fault. My bad. But y'all boys stay prayed up, man. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. Y'all boys keep God first, keep me in the mix and everything that you do. You know what I'm saying? And I got the camera down. I ain't trying to show my boy neighborhood, but you feel me? But yeah, man. Y'all boys stay tuned for more videos. And like I also said on the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.